order came today, and in this video I'm going to unbox it. I ordered a butterfly dimple. Before you guys ask me where did I bought from, I bought from Daraz. My all fidgets are from Daraz app. Before you buy it, please check the review, then order it. Okay guys, so this is my TikTok account. I give the link on description box. Please go and check it out. I just post fidget videos. We are so close to 3k followers. Please help me to reach 3k followers. By the way guys, this video is ASMR. Without any wasting time, let's start this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like, please give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and follow me on my TikTok, fidgets_poet. This is my recent username. Recent username. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Bye and love from me. Thanks for watching.